Hi there, my name is Phil and I'm one of the trustees of the Carpmael Trust, which operates Withymead Nature Reserve. We are a conservation site on the banks of the River Thames near Goring, and we've been described as a green jewel, a haven for wildlife such as kingfishers and otters. The Trust is a very small charity run entirely by volunteers. For infrastructure projects, we rely on grant funding and on your generous donations. Here's the existing wooden bridge and the remaining 60 metres of wooden boardwalk. As you can see, the bridge and boardwalk are extremely narrow. It's impossible for two people to walk side by side. It's uneven, it's slippery, and there are numerous steps to navigate. After over 20 years of regular flooding, the wood is degrading, and pretty soon it'll become too unsafe for our visitors to use. We're aiming to replace the old bridge and the old boardwalk with new accessible versions. These will be wider, less slippery, and have the safety of our visitors built in. The new bridge and boardwalk will have gently sloping ramps instead of steps, and will be made from recycled plastics, which minimise both the environmental impact of the project and also its ongoing maintenance. We need your help to build a new pathway for everyone. The project to replace the bridge and boardwalk, which will complete the route around the reserve, is expected to cost at least £115,000. We are applying for grant funding from several sources. Hopefully fairly soon we'll have some exciting news to share about that funding. But meanwhile, we need your help to get us over the line. To donate towards the cost of the bridge boardwalk replacement project, please follow the link to the Withymead page on the Good Exchange. Every pound will count. Thank you on behalf of all of us at Withymead Nature Reserve.